Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have what I think might be one of the nicest 55 Oldsmobiles in the country. If there's a penny less than $80,000 restoration sitting here, I would be shocked. It's an Olds 98, top of the line, power steering, power brakes, power windows, power seat, power antenna, padded dash. Why would someone spend that much money restoring a four-door hardtop? This is why. It's him standing next to the car in 1956. This is the gentleman. We bought it from his son. Unfortunately, he passed away. But he's owned this car since it was actually 1 year old. He bought it, it was 1 year old when he bought the car, and I have the contract to show you. But anyway, go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me for a ride in one of the nicest 55 Oldsmobiles in the world. Yeah, the car came in. I bought it from the son, and we have two pictures. They're actually time-stamped 1956. That's the gentleman that bought it, by the car. Here's the owner's manual. Here's the title from 1956. Here's the invoice from the Oldsmobile dealership that he bought it at in 56, and the warranty. So it's really cool to have this. Now you know why he restored it and spent that kind of money, had a real sentimental attachment to it. There's nice restorations, and then there's oh my God nice. This is an oh my God nice. This is nicer than it was new. The body and paint was not this nice when it left the factory. It is absolutely straight. I mean, not even a little hoo-hoo, no ripple, no little blister, no cracking. It is an immaculate body. I feel like I could reach my arm right in there. It is so deep. It is polished like glass. Original colors, it's bronze, and it's something shell beige or something like that. All the specs are on the website. Every single piece of exterior trim is restored to high standards. This stainless trim doesn't have a dimple, doesn't have a dent, a mark, a scratch. All of the stainless is buffed and polished like chrome. This chrome grate right here is redone. The base at the bottom of the wipers themselves are polished. The hood ornament, the emblem in here is new. This is got to be that triple chrome plating, because I look into it and again, it's like I could dive in. T3 headlamps, new lenses, all the emblems, the moldings, pristine. Hubcaps are pristine. The rim is painted to match the car. It has reproduction white wall tires. All the glass is new. It has a light tint, factory tint. All the gaskets and seals are new. The chrome vent window frame is all redone. The frame around each window is rechromed. It has the new fuzzies in here. It has the metal door edge guards, and they're polished out like chrome. It is the hardtop, which means there's no post divider, so it's nice and open. It looks like a two-door hardtop. Good looking car. Yeah, back here, all of this stuff is pristine. It has reverse lights. I think that's an option. This trim is just perfect. Trunk compartment. The metal is spotless. It's painted perfectly. It's got the original liner kits around the outside. It has a square mat on the bottom. I would have thought the whole thing should be lined, but that's what we got. The spare is restored. The rim looks like that rim. The whole jack assembly is completely restored, detailed. It's all bolted in properly. That's a matching white wall tire. It's never been on the ground, never used. Power antenna works. I drove this car home. It drove beautifully. Very comfortable, very classy. I felt like I was driving a new Rolls. Immaculately detailed. Of course, the motor's rebuilt. It's a 3-something with 200 and something horsepower. It is the 4-barrel motor, Oldsmobile rocket. Every component is restored to look new and function as new. Has power steering, power brakes, power steering hoses are new, fuel pump. Everything is just meticulously restored. Every piece of metal has real nice finishes. All the hardware, nuts, bolts are all new. Has electric wipers, all new wiring. All new wiring in the car. I was, out of curiosity, I looked up under the dash. When a car's this nice, they do it all. So I looked up under the dash. It's like new. Under there is painted. It's like white metal, every bracket, the whole heater box. I opened a little door. You look inside. It's clean. Everything was restored. But when I was under there, I noticed it's a modern fuse block with the push-in fuses. So it's all rewired, modern fuse block. Look at this interior. This is just absolutely stunning. All the chrome piping, little chrome flecks in the material. The seats are completely rebuilt. Nice firm cushions. You open the armrest, and inside there, where it's always left undone, is all beautiful. That's an ashtray in the middle of the back seat. I open it up. The chrome is redone. The ashtray receiver is like new. The cigarette lighter is pristine. All the metal, any bits of trim is restored inside that car. Power windows, power seat, they all work. White perforated headliner and matching visors. It has the chrome ribs and all the chrome around the sides. It's all perfect. The dash area, pristine. It's a padded dash. It fits beautifully. Everything is restored. I guarantee every piece of chrome was sent out and redone. It's all pristine. The clock is working because it's moved 15 minutes since I first came in here and looked at it. It has the correct, really short loop carpeting. Inside the glove box is mint. The gauges, the knobs, all of it's redone. It does have a Wonderbar radio. It turns on, it scans. It has a button on the floor to scan. I couldn't get the stop. I couldn't get it to pick up any music. Sometimes they put an FM conversion in there, so it's possible that maybe I was doing something wrong. It might be a working radio. It's trying to work. I'm sure it was rebuilt, and either I'm doing something wrong or something's malfunctioning. But it does have the foot control for the radio. Under the car is really nice, all clean metal. It's got the proper single exhaust system, just hydra-matic transmission, really clean, nicely restored under the car too. But on top, it's better than new. I'm going to start it up for you. The seat's nice and firm. All the interior lights work. It just purrs. It's quieter than a mouse in slippers. You don't feel the car at all. That is balanced so perfectly well, running perfectly smooth. It's one of those cars you feel privileged to just be around it. The door jambs are immaculate. The latch mechanisms are restored like new. Has the metal door edge guards front and back. Trunk light works. Get past this big thing without getting crunched. I just love the interior. The fabric, the chrome piping, just beautiful. The detailer actually made a joke of it that we don't even have to start it. It runs so quiet and smooth, we could just fake it. There you have it, an outstanding example of a car, whether it's a 55 Olds, 55 Chevy. It's just one of the best restored examples of a 1950s car you will find anywhere. visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. Our staff will help you answer any questions about the car, the process, financing, delivery. Let us know how we can help. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You will be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.